Okay, felly, question 3 is asking, beth ydy dy hobi di? Now, I'm pretty confident that you know one word in this question, as it sounds very similar to that in English. That's right, hobby. Now, beth, we should know that as well. What, da iawn. So, beth ydy dy hobi di is asking, what is your hobby, or what is your favourite hobby? Okay, now you all have lots of different hobbies, so you should all be able to answer this question fairly well. But in terms of the points that you can collect, for 1 point, you can just answer in a small phrase in Welsh or in English. So, for example, you can say playing football in English, but in Cymraeg, you can say chwarae pêl-droed. For 2 points, you can answer in a full sentence. So, fy hobi I ydy chwarae pêl-droed. 3 points, you can extend it again by saying why. So, you can say, fy hobi I ydy chwarae pêl-droed achos mae'n hwyl a sbri. And then for 4 points then will be answering the same as you did to get those 3 points, but just asking the question back to your partner. So once more, fy hobi I ydy chwarae pêl-droed achos mae'n hwyl a sbri, a ti, o beth amdana ti? Da iawn.